Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm Silo Boy Taylor DJ. So we're back with another album review. So this week is Pethu Fifi Cooper ubuye ne-album entsha ibizwa nge-Chapters iphume ngomhla ka-30 July laphana. So uFifi Cooper somkhumbula we-under i-Ambitious Record abintroduce ngale ngoma le hit song i-Kisses le no AB Crazy. So ubuyele ne-album ibizwa nge-Chapters inama-features abantu abaningi abafana nabo uMaraza, uMT, uLwandle Nkulu, umlindo the vocalist, uSwift, uZako, uma7 like baningi. So highlight nje lezi ngoma ezimbalwa engizwe nami ezingithintile lapha kule album. So there's one song akayenzele no MT Namela. I think that one izoba iya-stress kuma charts radio hit song leyo idopu. There's also another song ayenze no Maraza ibizwa ngeFandaga nayo ine tempo amapiano lo drum. I think leyo ngoma le abantu abaningi zoba relevant because amapiano vele wona aphethe escratini. There's another song ayenze yothi When I'm Gone lapho kuya rapper ke because when it comes to skill uFifi Cooper ukhona ngempela kuma buzz. So that is another song. There's also another song ayenze yothi ithi Xali boningi uzani nizobona. I think isho njalo because iswana but leyo ngoma le nama buzz kakhulu production yakhona inswempu. There's also another song ayenze nomjidalo ubizwa nguSwift. So uSwift ufisa show ingoma ezu2 ukhona e1 ebizwa ngeNumbers bese kuba enye abayenzile. What is the name of this song? Okay, let me double check lengazi ngisho into engekho. So but ukhona engoma ezu2 and I think omunye umuntu ocontribute kakhulu ku-album. So ingoma le ngifuna ipina leyo yeah. I think le production yakhona imnandi kakhulu. Enye ingoma le engithema ngizwe ngayizothi okay this one izoba big. So umusicalic khona ingoma abayenzile umusicalic inano zawo ibizwa ngempilo. So this is another song ebig le album. So I think indlela akazame ngawenza roll out maybe album izo reach abantu abaningi iphumele ku Uptown because ever since ashiya Ambitious akaze ebe nengoma lakhe eba that big. So I feel like this one because inama features afana bo Big Zulu kule ngoma bayenze no musicalic mhlawumbe ingoma album yakhe izophuma outside of Northwest, outside of iJozi mhlawumbe idlala nabo KZN nako even nabo Eastern Cape. So I think usebenzile la uFifi Cooper because ingoma ziningi ezikule album leyo. So usenalo talent. So mina when it comes to my rating ngamnikeza u8 out of 10. Yeah, I think Speaker Now singambeka nje lapho 8 out of 10. Usebenzile uphusha kakhulu esemela yedwa because i-album le i-release under i-record label yakhe iMo Cooper lena. So there's no one umphusha uyena kuphela nje. So zonke izinto uhamuvela yena. So I think una experience and when it comes to delivery umlalela like ingoma zakhe like uyayizwa lo experience uthi no uyayazi into akayenza. So I think mina ngimrate lapha 8 out of 10 as Speaker Now. So i-album ikhona ku Spotify, ikhona ku YouTube Music, ikhona nje everywhere kuma charts. So abantu abaphula phe ngama numbers bobonisa uFifi Cooper ama numbers i-first lady of Motswako ke. So sekhona at Twitter Speaker Now, Facebook Speaker Now, Instagram Speaker Now, sikhona ku TikTok C.Speaker Now. We out.